explain to me, what is an institutional real estate investor? You talked about sovereign wealth funds, but what other categories of institutional investor are there that you deal with?
Yeah, the key categories I think are sovereign wealth funds. So these are obvious, self-explanatory, but basically countries, and whether it's like the excess reserves that they manage or a pension fund on behalf of a country, this capital is often used to invest into real estate and other asset types around the world, from private equity to infrastructure, equities and fixed income. But they are a significant investor in the private equity space. There are endowments and foundations, right? So think sort of your top universities and nonprofits. There are a number of prominent ones that we work with. They're very sophisticated investors. You have global pension funds, so large US pension funds across the United States, in Europe, Asia, the Middle East. Those groups are all very sophisticated investors. And I think the key thing about institution, and actually the last bucket I excluded was family offices. I think large family office investors, I view them as being very institutional, because they're doing the same thing that you would see like an endowment or foundation do. They may or may not be that. So obviously depends on the family office, right? Some family offices are investing, smaller check sizes and not doing co-investments and direct deals. And then there's a number of large family offices that have a very significant real estate program and are doing a number of these deals directly. So I would say those are the sort of the main buckets that make up institutional investors. And, those are the type of investors that we work with at Gaw.